In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize rows in Google Sheets, ensuring that your spreadsheet looks neat and uniform. Whether you're tidying up a report, organizing your data for better readability, or just having a keen eye for consistency, adjusting your row heights can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily resize rows to make all of them the same height. First things first, you want to open up your Google Sheet. This is the spreadsheet that contains the rows you need to adjust. Once you have it open, the next step is to click and drag to select the rows you want to resize. You do this by clicking on the row numbers to the left. Hold your mouse button down and drag through the list of rows you'd like to change. This action will highlight them, indicating that they are ready for the next step of the process. Next, once you have all of your desired rows selected, it's time to bring up the Options menu. Move your cursor over one of the selected row numbers and right-click. Doing this will open up a context menu directly on your screen. From this menu, look for the option that says Resize Rows. This choice is crucial because it allows us to adjust the height of the rows we've carefully selected. Click on Resize Rows to bring up a dialog box that gives us further options. In the Resize dialog box, you'll have a couple of selections, but for our purpose today, we'll focus on the Specify Row Height option. Click on this option, and now you're prompted to enter your desired row height. Let's say you want uniformity at a height of 30, 40, or even 50. You just go ahead and type in that number. This becomes your standard height for all the selected rows. Once you've entered your desired height, the final step is to click OK. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets applies your specified height to all the highlighted rows. Like magic, they will stretch or shrink to conform to the new height you've entered, giving you a clean, organized look. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully resized multiple rows at once in Google Sheets. This not only streamlines your document, but also ensures consistency, making your data pleasant to view and easy to understand. Remember, a well-organized spreadsheet not only looks professional, but can also improve your productivity. It's easier to find the information you need when everything is aligned perfectly. So go ahead and try it out on your own spreadsheets and watch as your data transforms into a seamless, visually appealing work of art.